Welcome to Perfect Guardian, and I am going to tell you about the health benefits of coconut oil. So, first thing is hair care. Coconut oil is one of the best natural nutrients for your hair. It helps in healthy growth of hair and gives your hair a shiny quality. It is also highly effective in reducing protein loss, which can lead to various unattractive or unhealthy qualities in your hair. Now, it is useful in heart diseases. There is a misconception spread among many people that coconut oil is not good for heart health. This is because it contains a large quantity of saturated fats. In reality, coconut oil is beneficial for the heart. It contains about 50% lauric acid, which helps in actively preventing various heart problems like high cholesterol levels and high blood pressure. The saturated fats present in coconut oil are not harmful as you commonly find in vegetable oils. Coconut oil does not lead to increase the LDL levels, and it reduces the incidence of injury and damage to arteries and therefore helps in preventing atherosclerosis. Now it is very important in skin care. Now, coconut oil is an excellent massage oil for skin as well. It acts as an effective moisturizer on all types of skin, including dry skin. The benefit of coconut oil on the skin is comparable to that of mineral oil. Fortunately, unlike mineral oil, there is no chance of having any adverse side effects on the skin from the application of coconut oil. Coconut oil therefore is a safe solution for preventing dryness and flaking of skin. It also delays the appearance of wrinkles and sagging of skin, which normally comes with the age. Coconut oil also helps in treating various skin problems including psoriasis, dermatitis, eczema and other skin infections. Now it is very useful in weight loss. Coconut oil is very useful for weight loss. It contains short and medium chain fatty acids that help in taking off excessive weight. It is also easy to digest and it helps in healthy functioning of the thyroid and endocrine system. Further, it increases the body's metabolic rate by removing stress on the pancreas, thereby burning more energy and helping obese and overweight people lose the weight. Hence, people living in tropical coastal areas who use coconut oil every day as the primary cooking oil are normally not fat or overweight. Now, in immunity, coconut oil is also good for immune system. It strengthens the immune system because it contains antimicrobial liquids, lauric acid, capric acid and caprylic acid, which have antifungal, antibacterial and antiviral properties. The human body converts lauric acid into monolaurin, which research has supported as an effective way to deal with viruses and bacteria that cause disease like herpes, influenza and even HIV. Coconut oil helps in fighting harmful bacteria like Listeria and Helicobacter pylori and harmful protozoa such as Giardia lamblia. It is helpful in digestion. Internal functions of coconut oil occur primarily due to it being used as cooking oil. Coconut oil helps to improve the digestive system and thus prevents various stomach and digestion related problems into irritable bowel syndrome. The saturated fats present in coconut oil have antimicrobial properties and help in dealing with various bacteria, fungi, parasites that can cause indigestion. Coconut oil also helps in the absorption of other nutrients such as vitamins, minerals and amino acids. Now, Candida. Coconut has been shown to prevent and even cure Candida. It provides relief from inflammation caused by Candida both externally and internally. Its high moisture retaining capacity keeps the skin from cracking or peeling off. Further, unlike other pharmaceutical treatments for Candida, The effects of coconut oil is gradual and not drastic or sudden, which gives the patient an appropriate amount of time to get used to withdrawal symptoms of herxema. Now, I'll tell you the more of healing and infections about coconut oil in the next video. So thank you. Please subscribe to my channel Perfect Guardian and give your comments.